Hi folks, I'm Scott James with Bluewater Yacht Sales. We're in Virginia Beach. This is a 2019 Albemarle 36 Express. Huge transom fish box. You can see how deep it is. Transom door and gate right there. Big in-deck fish box. This is macerated. Got a Bluewater chairs, battle station. This is a bait freezer. You've got this mezzanine seat. You lift that up, you got a little bit of storage there, you have access to the engine room, and then also there's a button, the whole helm deck opens to give you excellent engine access. Twin Cummins QSC 8.3, 600 horsepower, straight inboard diesels, about 720 hours on the motors, Cummins Onan generator, and a sound shield. Live well right here. Up on the helm deck, you'll see two really nice Stid helm chairs. Got a seat there. Got a seat here, storage underneath, hardtop, overhead lights, again, step up, and we've got big windshield, full four-sided helm enclosure, near perfect, the glass near perfect, the windshield frame also near perfect. So two big Garmin screens, Garmin HD radar. This is the 4-foot Phantom 54 open array radar. Garmin autopilot here, electronic controls, two stations on this boat. You got a full tower, Garmin unit up there, full controls, engine start, stop, all that stuff. Beautiful cabin, all cherry interior. We've got a sofa on the port side, raise the backrest, you got bunks, cool little galley, enclosed head with a stand-up shower, really nice. Beautiful staterooms, or beautiful cabin, I should say. Stainless steel refrigerator and freezer. Really nice boat. Again, Virginia Beach, 2019 Albemarle 36. For Bluewater Yacht Sales, I'm Scott James. 757-570-3944. Thank you for your time.